In this video, let us understand how to make online exam for job selection. So here a new concept. In this concept, companies can sign up with this website. They can create the jobs and they can create the questionnaires. The applicants who are interested, they can log in and they can take the examination. So it's a web application project. We'll show you this project in asp.NET with C# backend SQL Server. So in order to get the job, you need to take an exam, and if you are through with the exam, then you will be selected. So in order to make this, every company has to create their own website. So instead of that, we are planning to create a new website. So therefore, all the companies can sign up with us, and they can create the jobs, and they can create the questionnaires, and the applicant who are interested, they can take up job and they can take the examination. So based on the result, the company can select the applicant. So it's a new idea, so it's a different concept. So for if you implement, it's a good at the entry level. So particularly this project for the students who wish to do a project as per the curriculum. So we give an idea here, so for utilizing that idea you can able to build these applications. Fine, so let us discuss about what are the things we can add in this project, how the whole concept works. So it's like a startup idea. So where this is the company, they provide an interface for the companies as well as the applicant. So here what companies can do is, so here is a company, so they can sign up here, they can log in, they can create the job, what jobs are available, they can post it here. And then they can enter the questionnaires, exam questionnaire. They can create the questionnaire. Now the applicant who are seeking for the job, they can see the job of this particular company. So the applicant sign up. So you can log in. So here you can see the job list, okay, from the different companies. The job you selected, you have to apply for the same. You can pay the exam fees. Then you have to take the exam. Take exam. Once you take the exam, so you can also see the result here, exam result. Even the company can also see the result. Based on the result, they can do the selection. A first round selection or second round selections or the final selection. So they can do the selection. Once you selected, you will receive the message. You'll receive the message. That's how we can communicate between the applicant and the company. So I'll show the demo now. Fine. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. So here we have opened the Visual Studio, and you can see that this is the exam, online exam for jobs. Right, so these are the files which are using in this particular project. So three modules, one is admin module, so these are admin module, and the applicant module, and then company module. So three modules in this particular project. And here is the database connections, and this is the server explorer, and these are the tables. Right, so now what I'll do is I'll just already running the project. So it's here, right click and open exam, and then if you click this, it will open the project. Right, so you can see that this is the first page. Now what we can do is we can continue here. So there are three modules. First we'll go to admin module. So you can log in as an admin. So here are the options which are available for the admin. A qualification list. So all the possible qualification list we can enter it here. Company list, who are all signed up, that list will come here. Applicant list, who are all the applicants are signed up, that list will come. And job applied, who are all applied for the job, that list. And commission. So here what is the total exam fee from that, this company, this is the startup. So they'll get some commissions, or they'll get the percentage of revenue from this. This also will be shown over here. So this is the main admin options. Now what we can do, we can copy the main address. We'll take to one more window. Here now we can get in as a company. Okay, so you can, if you're a new company, you have to go as a new company and then sign up here. So because I already have the company, so therefore I just log in with this company. So if there is a new exam, so then you have to write the exam name, what is the amount, all you have to enter, then you have to save. Right. So then for the same questionnaires has to be created. If this is a new job, you need to select the job and the questionnaires has to be entered. So therefore what is the question number, what is the question, what is the answer, what is the correct answer, and then you have to save. So once the question is ready, then you can able to, the applicant can apply for this and they can take the examination. So here is the applicant list. Who are all interested, they are applied here. And if you have multiple posts, you can select the change the post, and if you click the display, corresponding applicants will be displayed over there. Then this is the payment list. Who are all the applicant, they pay. Then this is the exam result. So what is the total marks scored by the each applicant. So whoever score max, they'll come on the top, so therefore they'll be selected. So then here is the applicant selection. So you need to click here to select the applicant. So it indicates that the particular person is selected. There is also communication, send message and the view message. So we can able to send and we can able to receive the messages. Now we'll go as applicant. Fine. So we'll continue as applicant. So again, a new applicant, you need to sign up here. So already have a sign up. I already have a ID. So let me log in here. So apply for the exam. So this, which is the exam I want to apply, I can select it here. If I select, then it means that I'm going to apply for this particular post. Then you have to take the exam. On clicking this, so you can see that the question list will be displayed. You need to select the answer. Then you have to select the answer. Okay, 8-bit. Heart and brain of the computer is CPU. The following is not a programming language: Mega Basic, C, C++, Visual Basic. These three are the language, and this is not the one. Right. So now it's finally submit. Then you can go back to home. Then you have exam result here. So what is the total marks you scored? That will be shown over there. So now from the company side, they can able to see this exam results list. So here only person you have scored 5. Fine. So then they can go to applicant selections and they can click on select to select this applicant. On this side, you can see that view message. So we have a message here. You are selected for Wipro Junior Fine Exam. So therefore that is a result. Like, so once they selected from the admin, so here it will show that one. Fine. So these are 3 modules which are there in this project. So you can try this. You can also try this project with PHP or JSP or Python. So if you have any doubt, let me know what doubts you are having. So thank you for watching.